Australia. On the way to work. I'll show you guys the site when I get to work. Wake up about 5:10. Go downstairs, have a shower, wake up with the uniform on, go downstairs, and then make eggs, oats. Today I just had 4 eggs scrambled, and yeah, just coffee, 4 eggs. Usually I have a bit of oats, maybe 3 tablespoons of oats with a bit of honey. Yeah, that's good food for the day, for the morning start. Then at 9:30 they call it smoko in Australia. You have another meal. A bit of oats again, or whatever you guys want. It's good, some good sustenance food for the day, for your construction. Yeah, when I rock up to site, I'll just drive around the one side, and I'll show you guys what the site looks like today. Yeah, I'll tune in now. See you then.